You see, this is doing a pretty good job. As soon as you get the desired angle, just blow into it. Obviously blow in the garden, spray the back tyre. Spraying under onto the rollers. Got the water behind the wheel calipers. It's greatly increased the pressure on this side. Then I'll just scuff it up with a bit of Scotch-Brite. Get the oils off. Just push it in and tighten it up. Where are we? There's the finished product there. Rollers here. Got all the tubes getting washed out. All the get that mud. Double spray. Leak or blowout. Just wet it with your mouth. The barb inside there. Just so it gives the trailer a good flush. And you get more pressure going on the other side. Slice in the tap into here as you can. Get the water in there. That's two. Push that in. That's basically it, guys. Alright, ladies and gents, got the flushing system going, getting the air out of the system. So here we go. Got a few sprinklers spraying under onto the rollers. Got the water behind the wheel calipers. More water spraying onto the rollers here. Got all the tubes getting washed out. All the trailer components getting washed. Got the brakes getting washed and the wheels. You see, this is doing a pretty good job. And here you can shut off one side and get more pressure going on the other side. You get a bit better. You can see it's greatly increased the pressure on this side. So the water's covering pretty much everything. Pretty happy with it. And I'll get the other side going. It's going to take you a couple of minutes to wash your old trailer. Alright, as you can see, doing a bloody excellent job. Pretty impressed. Rightio. And I've also got another tube running inside the tubes here. Goes in there. About spray every metre or two. Oh sorry, 500ml. And just washes the inside of the tube. So connect that on. And you'll see in a sec. You're washing all the inside of the tubes. Goes all the way down here. All the way to the back. And flushes out the box section there. Which you're never going to get to really well. Yeah, does both sides. Pretty impressed with the whole setup really. That's it guys. That's my automatic trailer flush system.